Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and you guys will also you can do your commenting backlink on this site. So the website name is communitat.candorm Barcelona. So this is a very hard word. So you can see this is a website URL, and I can provide this website URL over the description section. From there you guys can gonna do access easily. So before the started, we can resource something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 36, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 32, and the spam score is only 1%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 3.7K monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from Pakistan, India, Spain, Vietnam, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then most you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we're gonna start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will do something from your side. So you can see top of the menu section there is a sign up button. You can click on this, and there you can add your username. There you can add your company name, there you can add your username. So I can use the same, and this is your email address. There you guys can add your password, and after that you can acknowledge the terms and condition. There is a newsletter acknowledgement if you're wanting, so you can either you can ignore, and after that you can click on the sign up button, click to continue, keep unchecked. There was a problem creating account, so password it should be mismatch, so let me use this, and after that we can click on the same things. So our account is successfully created. So after that this site will send you a verification email. Yeah, so I received. You can click on the confirm my account. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And you can log in your dashboard, and after that you can click on this. You can click on the my account button, and from there you guys can optimize your profile details. So now we can upload a profile picture. You can click on the save button. There you can add your website URL. So this is a website URL. There you can add your company description. So this is the descriptions, and after that you can click on the save update account button. And if you're wanting to see your profile picture, so you can click on the my public profile, and you can see this is your profile landing page URL. And you can see this is my another backlink. Before the video creation, I created account. I created a DML training account with the different Gmail ID, and you can see there is this is my comments. I'm just verifying what kind of features they are having and what is the process for the backlinking. So you can see if you can create your backlink should be fluctuate in top of the comment section. So whatever you guys, whenever you guys can do commenting, your comment should be fluctuate on the main dashboard. So I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. Okay, so let me open this. Yeah, so you can see this is the backlink, and the thing is this is a no follow backlink. You can see this is the 100% no follow backlink, and this one is not clickable. And how you can create your community, the commenting backlink. So simply you can click on the agenda or any participant section, and from where you guys can suppose that I can choose a highlights. So let me see what is the highlights for today. Okay, let me open this, and you can choose your relevant topic, and after that you can submit your comments over there. So let me see, where is the comment box? Not there. Agenda, workshop and training. Let me see if I can open this, and from there you can start doing commenting. So for video interviewing software, visit www.jobma.com. Click on the send button. So our commenting backlink is created, and if I can open my there I have created account, so why this is logged out? I logged in with my different ID, and you can see this is the commenting backlink where this is fluctuating. So for video interviewing software, this is the things. If I can click on this, you can see this content, and there is my backlink. So this is a process for the backlink on this site. So there you can create your profile and the commenting backlink. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.